The swan swims in the swamp. I sit on the stool and stir the stew. Milk spills off my spoon. The snake eats a snack. The small girl smiles at me. I skip and skate to school. I fell off my scooter and got a scab on my arm. I slide off my slippers and go to sleep. A crown fell off my head and cracked in half. Mom gets dressed and drives to work each day. My friend Frank has freckles on his face. The green grass is growing. He gave the princess a present. The tractor fills the tree. I brush my teeth after breakfast.